Pampoenkoekies, but it's a tray bake, and it's got caramel sauce on it, and it's got ice cream on it, and it's delicious.
We got that sweet potato and pumpkin mash.
Flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, cinnamon.
Combine the wetties and the dryies.
Smothered.
It tastes like a pumpkin scone, like a giant pumpkin scone. If you put caramel and ice cream on it, it's really fantastic.